How to create a calendar in Smartsheet. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a calendar in Smartsheet. So let's get started. First of all, open your Smartsheet application, and after that just open the respective sheet in which you wish to create the calendar in. Now for example, I've opened a sheet, and then you gotta create the tasks for which you wish to add a calendar for. For example, just double click on the first column and give it a name. Now I'm gonna give it a name of exam preparations, and after that you can just click on enter. And after that you have to type down some tasks, some subtasks that you wish to add under this column. For example, I'm going to type in chemistry in the first one, and then type in physics for the second task, and after that type in maths and then English. Now I have 4 tasks within this column, and now the second column that I gotta add is of date. So just double click on it and select the start date. So just type in start date, and then you gotta select the column type as date. So just double click on it again, and here under the section of column type you gotta select date. So now just click on OK, and now your column has been set to start date. So then just double click on the next column and give it a name as end date, and after that just select the column type as date for this as well, and then click on OK. Now you got to type down the start date and end date. So when you click on this box over here, you'll be able to see a calendar icon over here. So you just got to select a start date. For example, I'm going to select 3rd, and then the end date as, let's say, 5th. And then for the next task I'm going to select the start date as 5th, and then the end date as let's suppose 8, and then we have maths. We're going to select the start date 9 and the end date as let's say 13. And then for English we're going to select the start date as 14 and then the end date as 16. And now you can see the start date and end date have been added. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you're just going to click on grid view over here, and then click on this button that says calendar view. Now it will take a few seconds to load, and then you can just select whether you want to display only dates in this column or display date ranges using start date and end date. So let us select this one, and after that you can click on OK. Now once you click on OK, you'll be able to see a calendar view of all the tasks that you have added as start date till the end date. So you can see that the tasks have been stretched from the start date till the end date. So that's pretty much it for today's video, and that was how you can add a calendar view in Smartsheet. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.